Today we're going to demonstrate you how to connect your IT750 under sink alkaline water ionizer to the alkaline faucet. First, you're going to connect the tap water to the main pipe of the faucet. After that, for your convenience, we're going to consider the first connection as the number 1, and that's where we connect the acid tube. This tube is connected to the outlet, which is located in the center at the bottom of the water ionizer. The second connector, which is located in the middle of the faucet, is the clean water, which is the tap water. And it's located with the inlet, which is located on the side of the water ionizer. The third and last connection is the alkaline water, and it's connected to the third connector of the faucet, and you connect it to the top of the water ionizer. Please make sure that all connections are correct, and if you have any questions, please visit intelgadgets.com and go to the Contact Us page. We're always here to help you. Thank you.